three resources that you can learn marketing from if you're a beginner is what I'm going to share with you in this video. Hi, Tommy Olsson here. So if you're a beginner and want to learn and access a good marketing training, then check out this whole video. And the first example where you can learn for free marketing is Constant Contact. They have a section for beginners, easy to read articles that explain everything. You have different subjects here: small business marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, seasonal marketing, and web. There's a whole lot, and you can learn it for free. You don't have to be a customer for Constant Contact. Now let's go to my second recommendation. Is HubSpot. When you click on resources, so let's check it out. Applications, methodology, and inbound 2000. Now let's go to my my blogger. You can find a lot of valuable content on different things regarding marketing, all kind of different things. Here you can see how to find freelance writing job and so on, how to make money writing emails, how to create a writing portfolio, how to make money with SEO. Yeah, they're constantly posting a lot of valuable content and you can access it. For examples and recommendations if you're a beginner and want to start learning about marketing strategies that works. Would you like to start making $500 time and time again? If so, you need to click the link below. Thanks so much for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe if you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.